Two-factor authentication not working on SelfWealth Fix. If you can't log into your SelfWealth account because your two-factor authentication isn't working, don't stress, you're not locked out forever. The surprising truth is that most of the failures come from small issues that are easy to fix once you know what to look for. Start by checking your phone's time settings. Two-factor authentication codes depend on precise time synchronization. If your phone's clock is even a few seconds out of sync with SelfWealth servers, your code will fail every time. Go into your phone settings, enable set time automatically, and restart your device. If you're using Google Authenticator, open the app, go to time correction for codes and tap sync now. Next, update your apps. Outdated versions of the SelfWealth app or your Authenticator app can create mismatch or expired codes. Open your App Store, install any available updates and try logging in again. If you're not receiving your SIM's code, switch your phone from Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggle airplane mode for a few seconds to refresh your signal. Some carriers delay short code SIM's messages, especially during high network usage periods. If you've recently changed phones or reinstalled your Authenticator app, you need to reset your FA. On the SelfWealth login screen, click Can't Access FA and follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once confirmed, you can re-enable two-factor authentication safely on your new device. Always remember to save your backup recovery codes when setting up FA. They're your emergency login tool if you ever lose your phone or can't access your app. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on SelfWealth, it's probably a simple fix. Sync your time, update your apps, and check your connection. Within minutes, you'll regain access to your account and continue trading securely.